Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel and I'm here in Zhuhai headquarters in Zhuhai. So let's see their showroom.
How did you first get connected with Zero?
Was about a year ago. I was researching the most efficient way to manage our distribution. So a colleague recommended me to look into your platform, and after the first demo, I was sure there was the right fit for our team.
Before working with Zero, what problem were you trying to solve?
The problem I was trying to solve was the standard heat pump units can't perform in extremely cold. Once we start to hit those negative Fahrenheit, they lose the efficiency, they can't pump enough heat to keep a building warm.
So how did Zero help you with that?
So Zero systems are built to handle those extremely cold temperatures. So they keep pumping high temperature heat even when it's way below zero outside. So this is exactly what our climate demands.
In here certificates, we have different certificates for the different regions, and also for the North America, the HI, engineer NIP, and the ULTL. What has changed since working with Zero in your local markets?
Oh, it's been a total shift in how people see electrical heating. Now that we are using Zero, we can guarantee our customers that they will be warm in the winter without needing a backup furnace or breaking their bank in utilities.
How do you feel about working with Zero, and what's next?
Oh, it's been great working with a partner who has their specs. And now we're looking forward to make those extremely cold units our standard offering for new stalls all across the region. Appreciate Zero team.
Oh, thank you.